Let's talk about this guy for a minute. In the last video, we called him a pawn, but he actually goes by so many different names. We can call him X, we could call him Y or Z, because he is a variable. A variable means that his value can change from problem to problem, and that he can be worth anything really. So let's go find out what this variable is worth. Here is a new problem to look at. This is x plus x equals x plus 3. Let's use guess and check first to see if we can find the value of x. So let's try 2. We think that x equals 2. So let's try 2 plus 2, so this side is worth 4, equals 2 plus 3. Well, if this side is 4 and this side is 5 from 2 plus 3, then 4 does not equal 5, so x cannot equal 2. So let's try x equals 3. So 3 plus 3 equals 6, and 3 plus 3 equals 6. So x equals 3 is going to work, but let's check. So we're going to plug in this number x into the equation. So 3 plus 3 equals 3 plus 3, which equals 6 equals 6. That's our check, and it works out. Remember, I am just plugging this 3 into the equation where all the x's used to be to see if the equation stays balanced on both sides.